Regina Towers.
Okay. And over there's a kid.
Yeah. Oh, they're on the same controller.
No, I pressed that one.
Oh, okay. I was gonna say.
I don't know if that's from that other.
I thought that was a hydraulic motor for a second.
Oliver Williams, maybe?
Oh, I've never seen like normal California code GAL. Whatever it isn't relay anymore.
Yes, there is.
I take that back. I love that so much when you can just hear the motor getting louder as you go up.
Listen.
Down?
We have room?
Okay, we're gonna take it.
Can we be part of
Sure, yeah, go for it.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, all of us still come there.
Hey, if you can fit, we don't mind.
Yeah, go.
Are you sure?
No.
Okay, go.
What's up to you guys?
Sorry.
No worries.
All good. Thank you. You want to film us? Come here. You have your mother.
Hey,
It's been a while since I see a camera like this, you know? I love you,
You
man.
guys are-
Hey, have a good night. Heck yeah. That was funny. That was funny. I like how half the numbers are just drawn in.
Oh, yeah.
Oops, sorry.
Nice job, Tyler. It's lit up with boat lights. That's cool. Oh, sorry. No worries. That's that one.